Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. As you can see, we're opening up BRUU, the Gourmet Tea Club. I always say this, but I think the box it comes in is just so cute. So this is a monthly tea subscription. It is $12 per month. I do have a code with them to save $2, so your first box would be $10. And this is the perfect box for tea lovers, of course, but like especially people who love to know where their tea's from, learn a little bit more about it. Just really want some more high quality teas. So you get 3 different teas and then like a little bonus tea as well in here, and it's based on a profile. They also have a caffeine free subscription plan. Someone left a comment on the last video I just read, so thank you for that. Letting us know that you can get like just herbal teas if you want as well. Last month I got some really great black teas. I just finished them, so I'm so stoked. I am a tea drinker now. Like, I did have like a few coffees this week, but I pretty much primarily drink tea, and I've been loving drinking their tea and discovering more about tea, learning more about it, learning about the places they come from. This is awesome. So I will link them down below along with that code to save. So let's get this open. Let's discover better tasting tea. It seriously is very tasty. So let's see what we got. We got Emmy right behind me. Hey, Emmy, what's do I get all that? Yep. Tissue. I think I opened it all. Ooh, so we have some tea from India, I should say. Look at how beautiful this is. So every month we discover a new place. So this will be the Discover tea here. It's kind of like our bonus tea that everyone gets, the featured tea of the month. And this is Monsoon Green. This month we're going to the beautiful mountains of Nilgiri in India, home to one of the oldest tea plantations established by the British in 1845. The Nilgiri Hills are part of a larger mountain chain known as the Western Ghats. Their highest point in the mountain is Dodabetta, height of 2,637 meters. Look how beautiful this is. So they'll tell us more about the country, like the plantation, and the special things about them. And we even get like some facts over here. Like, I am a total nerd. I love learning about everything, like more facts. I love this. Ooh, and we get a little sneak peek next month. They visit Sri Lanka. Cool. So why we love Monsoon Green, which is a tea here. Let's read that, and then we'll move on to the other teas. Oh, and you can see the region of India it's from, which is cool, because India is huge. Monsoon Green is much known for its health benefits. It helps in increasing metabolism and digestion, reduces the risk of heart disease, and improves artery function. A cup of invigorating steamed green tea is preferred as an everyday detox beverage. Ooh, nice. That's awesome. Increases metabolism? Yes, please. Oh, let's learn some stuff. Okay, I'm not done with this sheet of paper yet. The popular game Snakes and Ladders originated in India. India has the highest population of vegetarians. Sweet, I'm a vegetarian. The Hindu calendar has 6 seasons. Around 70% of the world's spices come from India. There's a floating post office in India? Cool. Oh, I love facts. Chess originated in India some 1,500 years ago. I didn't know that. Oh my god, I learned some new things today. I love it. Yay. So that was this tea here that we all got, this Discover tea. I am excited. I might make that next. It's like the afternoon. Usually I don't like high caffeinated things. These are all blacks here because I love black tea. But I think I'm going to make some green tea. That's like my afternoon choice if I have caffeine. That sounds good. So how about we start off with this one right here? So we get 14 grams. This is KTDA. Look at this cute little symbol here. And these cards are really nice because they give you information on the tea, but also you can like rate the tea so you can know how you liked it and refer back to this later. So KTDA is a bright, punchy black tea from the famous Kangata. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing anything. I have to like put this really close to my eyes just to read it. Harvested 7,000 feet up on the slopes of Mount Kenya. It's also known as Kenya Tea Development Agency. And they love it because it's sweet and malty. It's everyday tea, stylish, well made, whole leaf tea, tightly twisted, high quality, in a golden cup. And it talks about Kenya, where it's from. Awesome. I'm excited to try this and get a little peek. And I love that it's a resealable bag. Super nice. And then it's just a sum. Here, another 14-gram bag. And this is a classic black tea from the state of Assam, India. A strong malty and aromatic leaf with rich body that gives off the special and definitive darkened Assam scent. Remember to treat the nose during this process to enhance the taste. Such a soothing, unique, addictive smell. Oh, I want to smell it now. Watch as the warming color of this tea progresses. And that talks more about the location. Again, you can rate it here. I like the Assam tea, so I'm excited about this. I'm excited about all of them. And last but not least, we have the Mayfair Black. Again, 14-gram bag. Ooh. Let's see. A careful blend of Assam and Kenyan black teas are mixed with a sprinkle of calming safflower petals to produce a wonderful, full-bodied tasting tea with a slight mellow astringency. A reddish-brown cup. We love this everyday tea, even with a splash of milk. This is certainly a high-class tea to be savored and enjoyed. Awesome. So I am super excited. I love tea, like I said. This has been such a joy getting to know teas more. I feel like, you know, I'm kind of maybe becoming a tea snob, and I love it. And I love the facts you get. I think this is such a great subscription for any tea lovers. I know it's not the holiday season anymore, but I always like to recommend boxes like this, like for people, because it's such a great gift. If someone loves tea, which a lot of people do, I do. But let me know what you think, you guys. Again, I'm going to link them down below, and along with that code if you want to save some money. Thank you, BRUU, the Gourmet Tea Club, for sending me this subscription. This was sent to me kindly free for review, but not sponsored. And the link below is an affiliate link, so thank you if you use it. I make a little small commission at no extra cost to you when you use my affiliate links. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you just for being here and watching. It means so much to me. I'm so grateful for all of you. I consider you my friends. I love you so much. So I'm supposed to be getting a bunch of subscriptions on Monday and Tuesday. So I'll be back with more videos, and I'll subscribe to some new ones too. So hopefully there'll be less breaks during the week from filming. And if you guys like these like single box videos, let me know. Maybe I'll sprinkle in some mega unboxings if I can get more boxes in, because I know some people like those as well. And it's been a while since we've done that, so I'd love to hear your opinions. But if you're watching this in real time, happy Friday. Have a great weekend. But no matter when you're watching this, I hope you have a great day. Enjoy this present moment. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.